You need to watch this if you're born on the 6th, 15th, or on the 24th of the month.
For number 6 people, well, that rules the nose, the throat, the upper part of the lungs, allergies, hay fever, heart palpitations, irregular blood circulations, okay? Sinuses, all those kind of things. With women, I notice it also rules the mammary glands too. Uh, very sensitive or things of that nature. And what happens is they will find that January, February, April, and August are normally the challenging times of the year for them. Well, the number 6, like the number 5, has this. Of all of the numbers, 6 needs the least medication. Now, I'm sure there's going to be some professional people out there, but I'm just talking about experience on my part from doing this for a great number of years, seeing tens of thousands of people in my career doing this. 6 people, it appears that their best medicine is sunlight, fresh air, and get your butt out the house with some brief activities. Get in the gym, do a power walk around the neighborhood, but something. That tends to revive a number 6 person better than anyone else born on the 6th, the 15th, the 24th, or if they're under the sign of Taurus or Libra. They have they have one of the best recuperative powers, all complements of Mother Nature, sunlight, fresh air, some activities, okay?
Grab your numerology analysis today at numerology33.com.